Full custom builds like this are very challenging, very rewarding. It involves a lot of customer interaction and the design process. Every square inch of these vehicles are accounted for, even in the cab area, fully configured around how they're going to use the cab, the equipment they keep on them.
Rather than taking a stock vehicle or just a standard platform that many of our competitors utilize, we actually are taking everything that the customer is looking for and incorporate into a specific design and size that meets exactly what they're looking for.
To me, these projects were very enjoyable to work on, going from like the 2D aspect from the very beginning to doing like a preliminary design and then going back to the customer with kind of what they asked for, what works, what doesn't work. Just being part of the process from fab to build and just seeing everything come together is a very rewarding experience.
When they get to come here and see it, they're super excited. Not only is it a pretty truck, but it is a full build of what they wanted.